Take a deep breath. Let the world be still for a moment. Close your eyes. You are not broken. You are not forgotten. In your silence, God hears you. In your pain, He is close. You've been through things that others couldn't carry, and yet you still wake up. That is strength. You are not a mistake. You were created on purpose, for a purpose. Your story is not over. Your chapter is just turning. The pain you feel is real, but so is your healing.
The Bible says, "The Lord is close to the brokenhearted. He binds up their wounds." You don't have to do this alone. Every tear you cry is counted. Every night you've endured will become a morning. You are more than enough. You are loved. You are rising, and you will not stay down. Sleep in peace. You are not alone.